Hello viewers, welcome to Aarohi Sewing Enterprises. In this video you can see how we are editing calendar and names of the greeting design. It is for the wishes, so it is unique way of gifting for any occasion, for any anniversary. So this kind of embroidery designs work can be done, and it can be set it as a frame, and we can present gift to the our relatives and our friends. So it gives a unique impression and make us happy. So you can also do the same thing, just you need embroidery digitization software and little bit knowledge is required. So if you are interested to learn embroidery digitization, please reach out to us through WhatsApp on 9100949956. We do sell embroidery machines, digitizing software, materials, everything related to embroidery. Please do follow our YouTube channel, Insta channel, and do save our contact number in your mobile phone. When we post something related to embroidery in our status, you can see the updates. Keep up great work. Happy embroidery, happy digitization. See you in the next video. Take care.